The organizations where their business is to care. And there are people who care who by chance have organizations. Chaim Medical is not an organization where their mission statement is to care. Chaim Medical is an Yidden und Yiddenis that care. Beles bereidet, man gedarf machen an organization, man kehrt da so stark, wie viel kann man sich upgeben?
But when it's your brother, when it's your sister, it's at that moment that you figure out was heißt makat choshech. And at that moment, when a person gets a phone call and they find out that their world just came to a halt, suddenly they find themselves so broken and lonely.
Der Chaim Medical, der Staff, uneibendig von Mrs. Kahn und alle, was sind im Staat mit ihr, der Neimes, der Ich-Passley, in a genuine, authentic way, emes caring, emes du bist jetzt mein Iker-Focus. Ich lebe jetzt dich, ich trage dich, ich communicate dich, ich utem dich. Ich hab schon gesehen, Jets haben sich, Ambulances. Ich hab schon gesehen, wie man nimmt Patienten von Spitul, al-Apom, wal-Chamusum, von allen, die stehen dort. Was die zwei Augen haben schon gesehen, was der Staff von Chaim Medical tit für Amchu Yisroel.
So the Chaim organization is unbelievable. These people work not 24/7, 25/7, 365 days a year. They're highly motivated. I had many conversations with them about neurosurgical and neurological conditions. They know more than I do. They are so dedicated. They are so motivated. They're so wonderful. They really are rising above Malchut with their devotion and unselfish service to others.
That is Gadlut. That is Chaim Medical Center.